I want to start investing, but I don't know how to open an investment account. It feels too complicated.
This is exactly the problem we're solving today, because together we're going to look at exactly how we can open our European investment account in full detail, step by step, building our financial future while also benefiting from Freedom24's promo offer. You see, investing is no longer optional, unless of course we want to spend our whole lives relying on our paycheck and later living off whatever pension the government hands us. And we all know how that's going to play out. What's actually going to make the difference in our lives is to put our money work for us, i.e. to invest it. Now, there are plenty of ways to invest, and everyone picks what fits them best. Stock market, real estate, gold, etc. In this video, however, we'll only be talking about investing in the stock market. Now, if we want to start investing, we will need an investment account. Our investment account is the foundation of our financial freedom.
Sure, but I don't know where to start. Is it safe? How do I do this on my own?
These are some of the most common concerns when starting our investment journey, and rightly so. After all, investing is a big step and we should be well prepared. So today we're sorting everything out. We'll walk through the process of opening a European investment account step by step. No jargon, no confusion. We're making this as hands-on as it gets. By the end of the video, we'll all know exactly how we can open our first European investment account, even if we're starting from zero. I personally use Freedom24, which is today's video sponsor, for my own investments, which now exceed 500,000. Because Freedom24 complies with the highest security standards in Europe, with European regulatory body and offices across Europe, provides a platform perfectly suited for everyday people who want to build their financial future, and delivers round-the-clock updates on every development that affects us and our money, directly inside the app with real-time notifications. And let's not forget Freedom24's current promo offer, which gives us up to 20 free stocks, with each stock worth up to $800. For more details on the offer, check the video description. So we can all begin by opening an investment account with Freedom24 and kickstart our wealth journey, always through the link in the description. And without further ado, let's get straight to it. Yes, okay, first the mandatory and important disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor or legal expert. All opinions expressed in this video and on this channel in general are exactly that, just my opinions, and they are intended for entertainment purposes only. Please do not take financial or legal advice from a random guy on the internet. Always do your own research. Alright, if you got your phone on you can create your investment account as we walk through the steps together. It's going to be super practical today. Let's go. Step 1, we sign up. If we're watching on our phone, we can start by clicking the link in the description. If we're watching on a laptop or TV, we can scan the QR code on screen right now. Either way, we get a bonus, so there's no reason to miss out. And this is also how you support this channel directly and completely for free. Thank you so much for this, by the way. So yes, we can click the link in the description or scan the QR code to get started. Right away, a page opens where we'll start the sign-up process. We can enter our phone number, click sign up, and on the page that opens, we can fill in our email and password. Then we can enter our phone number again to get the verification code. We can enter the code and select individual account, unless we're creating a corporate account where the process is slightly different. Step 2, we download the Freedom24 app by clicking the respective button and sign in with the email and password we set in step 1. Once we log in, it will prompt us to set a 4-digit PIN for extra security. Important note, we must download the app from the link shown in this step. If we just close the page and download it by going straight to the store, we might lose the bonus we mentioned earlier. So we follow the steps as they appear in this video. Step 3, we select our country of tax residency and enter our tax ID number. Now, if we are US tax residents, we toggle this option on. Most of us are not, so we select I'm not a US citizen. Step 4, we confirm that our information is correct and that we agree to the terms. We enter our phone number and we'll get a code via SMS that we can enter to move the process forward. Step 5. At this stage, we've only opened a demo account. This is not our real account. It's just a test environment to get a feel for how the platform works. Now, let's open our real account by clicking Start Verification. To do this, we need to verify our identity. No stress, the process is quick and easy. No, the process can go much faster with the Sub ID option, which lets us reuse our securely stored data to speed up verification. But for anyone who's nervous about that, there's the more manual route, which we'll walk through now. We need to have our ID or passport on hand. Next, we take a photo of the front and back of our ID and a selfie. Lastly, to confirm our address, we'll also need a proof of residency. But I live with my parents, you might say, or I'm a student, or the bills are in my mom's name. None of this matters. We all have a tax residency somewhere, whether we're living with family or anywhere else. We can pull this document straight from our local tax authority's website. Tip, we can screenshot the proof of residency and it'll go straight into our phone's photos. From there, we can upload it to the Freedom24 app. Now, we'll need to wait a bit for the verification, usually no more than 5 to 15 minutes, and as soon as we get the verification email, we can pick up where we left off. Step 6 and last one. Now that our real account is ready, we need to complete our investor profile. Don't worry, it's no big deal. It's just a mandatory process based on EU guidelines. The goal is to protect European investors from putting money into investments they don't understand. It's required to fill out before our first transaction, so we might as well knock it out now and be done with it. We go to Menu, Requests, Personal Data and select Suitability Test. This is where we go through the questions. Most are pretty straightforward, while a few are there to gauge how much we know about investing. Nothing to stress over. First, we fill in some details about our work, our main source of income, and some details about our employer. Yes, this is required by law. If we're self-employed, we fill in our own details accordingly. When it asks about our investing experience, we answer accordingly. It also asks about our experience with different types of investments. Same approach here. We fill it out based on what we actually know. We just tell the truth. No one's judging us. And yes, I know we're getting tired by now, but we're almost done. 2 more pieces of information about our investment goals. We talk about our risk tolerance. We just tell the truth. Again, no one's going to bite our head off. And in the last part, we answer some questions about our investing style, like for example that we plan to invest for at least 5 years. If we actually plan to invest for at least 5 years. We check that our info is correct, click confirm, and that's it. We now officially have created our first European investment account, and we are ready to build our financial future. Honestly, I was tempted to talk about DCAing into VUAA today too, but I think it's better to wrap things video here, because this is the most crucial point on our journey to financial freedom, to open our first European investment account. So far in this mini-series Investing Guide for Europeans 2026, we've covered why investing is now a necessity and not a choice, and how all of us can open a European investment account to start investing. In the next episode, next Wednesday, we'll see how exactly we can invest. Hands-on stuff, right? Practical, specific, always with the goal of building a better financial future. So once again, we can simply head over to the description below, click the link, enter our phone number, and take it from there. Just like that, we've completed the first step of the sign-up process. And as we mentioned, there's a bonus gift if we use the link in the description. And let's not forget Freedom24's current promo offer, which gives us up to 20 free stocks, with each stock worth up to $800. For more details on the offer, check the video description. So we can all begin by opening an investment account with Freedom24 and kickstart our wealth journey, always through the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.